fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 29th day of June. Boy, summer zipping along here. James Spann here. And after some pretty hefty storms yesterday, drier air beginning to work into the state this morning. Let's look at the Skycam shots at the somewhat ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. View coming from Decatur, that's the Tennessee River down below. Sky mostly clear there. There's the Walker County view coming from the King Building in downtown Jasper. And from Tuscaloosa, looking north from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. The sky there mostly clear. Well, again, you can see that big upper low that's sitting over the northern part of the Great Lakes, helping to pull down some drier air down in here today. And accordingly, we think the better chance of showers and storms will likely be over the southern half of the state this afternoon, below that surface boundary. Feels pretty good up on the Canadian border. Look at all the 50s up there. Readings, in fact, in the upper 40s in a few spots. And around here, we got mostly low 70s. We think tomorrow morning should be cooler as the dry air takes over. We should be down in the low and mid 60s tomorrow, and we wonder if maybe a couple of the cooler valley locations might hit upper 50s. Expected rain for the next 5 days, not much. This is valid through Friday evening at 6 or 7 o'clock. Heaviest rain over Florida, and that would be with that tropical disturbance we have been watching over the weekend. Places like Tampa Bay, Orlando, Daytona Beach could be pretty wet. But again, around here, we'll have to wait until late in the week and over the weekend before we see a return of scattered showers and storms. And speaking of the tropics, there's a look at things out there. The system that really looked good late last week over the western Caribbean is kind of sitting over the Yucatan right now and is having a hard time because of the interaction with land. But we'll see if anything can happen once that gets up in the southern Gulf. And more than likely, if anything does, it will be pulled northeast toward the Florida Peninsula. And again, whether it's organized or not, it could create some pretty decent rain down there one way or another. But it should not be a player here. Modeling, this is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. You can see the upper low kind of dominating the eastern half of the nation. The core of the heat bubble is out west. And it'll be mostly sunny for North Alabama today. And highs around 90, but the main difference, the fact that the humidity value should be lower, making it more comfortable. And there's the surface chart. Any showers should be south of US 80 today, or south of a line from Demopolis to Montgomery to Auburn. Tomorrow, dry air covers much of the deep south, except for the immediate Gulf Coast. The old front down there, we'll kind of keep an eye on that. Again, sometimes little tropical systems can try and organize on old fronts, but the bottom line is, looks like a sunny day and a dry day. Wednesday, the same deal. And Thursday, mostly sunny with a high around 90, maybe low 90s. The front is in the northern Gulf. We'll keep an eye on that. Now, at the end of the week on Friday, you can see a little vortex riding down the southern edge of the westerlies there. The 594 circle is over the southwest, where hopefully it's going to stay. And at this point, we might bring in the risk of isolated storms Friday afternoon. A surface boundary seems to be north of here. And then Saturday, starting off the holiday weekend, that's the 4th of July. That looks pretty standard. I think we'll mention a chance of scattered showers and storms, mainly Saturday afternoon. And Sunday, we are on the southern edge of the westerlies. A vortex shows up just northwest of here. And again, that looks like there could be some scattered showers and storms around, which is what you expect on the 4th of July. And Monday, the 7th of July, a surface boundary just north of here, that looks like it could be relatively wet, extending from a surface low that's east of Maine. We'll see. So again, for now, we'll just kind of roll with your standard summer forecast for the 4th of July weekend. Hot, partly sunny, a few scattered showers and storms around. We'll fine-tune that as we go. End of the forecast on the 14th of July. Again, it's a flat ridge across the deep south, which is what you expect. Again, the good news, the 594 circle is not there. And again, that looks very typical for midsummer with partly sunny conditions and the risk of a few scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.